welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports. Just a quick video this morning. This is actually a blast from the past. This is from 2017, the last trip we took with the Tiki Warrior out to Bowling Green, Kentucky. It was another legendary, fun trip out there. And this one was showing a little bit of our favorite funny car drivers' skills at impersonation. So Tiki Ron impersonates Jim Canntori in a little rain delay they had there in Bowling Green. Quite interesting. If you're from the Northwest and you have rain at the drag strip, it usually means a big delay. But out in Kentucky, it can rain pretty hard and you'll be racing and 90 minutes later. So it's amazing. But Ron is a funny car driver, and I think that comes through in the way he acts out in this video. They're a special breed, so enjoy. Have a good Saturday. Thanks.
Okay, that's Jim Canntori here. We're fighting a big hurricane in Bowling Green, Kentucky for the Hot Rod reunion. You can see it's coming down sideways. We're waiting for Mr. Explosive to get here so we can get it all better. And you know what? It's a dry rain. It's not really that bad. So we're glad you're all here. Thunder and lightning. This is Old Testament biblical shit. We're gonna make it through just fine. Oh, I said the S word. I gotta get inside. My underwear's wet.